Right, good day and welcome. Now I'm looking at the second set of exam problems on Theorem 1 to 6. Right, and I hope along the way I help you. As I said, I'm going to try to do 10, but it takes quite some time drawing all the shapes. Right, so in the figure below, we're working from November 2015, paper 2, Eastern Cape. The figure below, TCO equal 25 degrees, and O is the center. So O is the center, TCO there is 25. They say calculate with reasons the size of the following angles. Angle T1, so they want that, then O1, then they want A1, and then they want angle E. Right, so let's solve the problems. So calculate with reasons, I'll start T1 and O1. So for T1, I assume you can see if O is the center, then from O to D I have a radius, and O to C I have a radius, and O to B I have a radius. But OD is the same size as OC, ne? So there OD equal OC, they are radii. So the angle subtended by OD is the 25 degrees, and the angle subtended by OC is T1. So therefore T1 equal 25 degrees, and I would simply say equal sides equal angles. Or equal sides subtends equal angles. Some teachers want the subtend in between. Right, then to get O1, assume you can see there the blue line. If I come down, there's a triangle ODC. Ne? That's the exterior part of the triangle, and we assume you know exterior angle of a triangle equal the sum of the two opposite interior angles. So therefore O1 simply equals 25 plus 25, which then gives me 50 degrees, and that is exterior angle of a triangle. So follow, can't equal the angle next to it, must equal the sum of the two opposite interior angles. Let's look at the next problems. So calculate with reasons the size of the following. A1, so now we want A1. So if I look at the angle A1, I go back with A1, AB, and there it goes to C. It is subtended by this arc, that bend there from B to C. Ne? If I go back with D1 here, that I just calculated, that ends by B and it also ends by C, and it's also subtended by the same arc BC. So this arc BC subtends A1 and it subtends D1, therefore A1 equal D1 according to Theorem 4, angles in the same segment. So A1 equal D1 equal 25 degrees, angles in same segment. So now A1 is 25. Look at the next problem. So calculate with reasons, size of E. So there in blue, from T is on the circumference, B on the circumference, E on the circumference, C on the circumference. D, if D1 is 25, the opposite angles of a cyclic quad, you see that cyclic quad in blue, must add up to 180, right? So there E equal 180 minus 25, opposite angles in the cyclic quad, therefore equal 155. Could have also worked from that 25, you see 25 plus 155, there's also a cyclic quad. So it's your choice which one you decide to use. Look at the next exam question. Right, now here we're looking at November 2015, grade 11, question 9. So in the diagram, O is the center, the circle, and L1 is 58 degrees. Calculate giving reasons the size of LKR. So there's LKR. Then they want the size of angle R, and then the size of angle N. So let's look at the solutions. So again, I'm using color. If O is the center, then we must know that LR there, drawn in blue, is a diameter, right? The first question, they want LKR. Should see LK and KR both come off the diameter. So any angle that's formed off a diameter must always be a right angle, 90 degrees. So there I can say LKR equal 90 degrees, that whole angle, and my reason, angle in semicircle. So angle in a half a circle, or diameter subtends a right angle at the circumference. Right, so that is 90 degrees. Now they want R, so I assume somewhere you can see there, LRK form a triangle. So angles in a triangle must add up to 180. So that whole angle K is 90, that one's 58. To find R, I'm just going to say R equal 180 minus the 90 minus the 58. Angles in a triangle equal 180. That gives me angle R equal to 32 degrees. Let's look at the next problem. They want us to calculate the size of angle N. We just got the size of angle R is 32. So if we look at blue, if I go back with angle R, see there, I saw in the shape already there's a X. We're going to be voting soon. So there's a X. So if I go back with the blue, this angle R is subtended by the line, or the chord. I must stop saying line. Subtended by the chord LK. At the same time, angle N there is also subtended by the chord LK. If we go back there, how do you call it? Orange or burnt orange or brown. It's also subtended by LK. So this line subtends N and R. Therefore, N equal 32 degrees. And we say angles in same segment. So if you enjoyed the lesson, please like, share, and subscribe. Continue practicing. As I said, I will upload more and more as the year goes on. Right? And that is purely to assist you wherever I can. Enjoy. Bye.